Hello Lucy.
Hello teacher.
Okay, today we will talk about types of birds. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so Nina, can you tell me where is parrot? Yes, what is it?
Parrot.
Okay, and can you tell me what colors of the parrot?
It's green, red, and blue.
Okay, can you put it here? Lucy, where is turkey? Turkey. Yes, what is it? Turkey. Turkey. Okay, have you ever eat any turkey? Do you eat turkey? Lucy, do you eat turkey? Yes or no? No, I. Okay. This one, what is it? Nina. This one. It's a goal. And what color is it?
It's white.
Okay. Do you see any goal?
No, I don't.
And can you tell me where can we see the goal? Where can we see the goal? We can see the goal at the in the beach, at the sea, right? In the
sea.
okay. This one, what is it, Nina? It's a okay. What color is it? This one. What color is it? Black.
Black.
This one.
Red.
And
Yellow.
okay. Do you have any cocks at home?
No.
No, I.
No, I don't.
Okay. So, do you like eating cock?
Yes, I do.
Is it delicious? Is it delicious? Okay. The last one, Lucy, what is it? No. It's a peacock. Peacock. Okay. So, do you see any peacocks? So, can you look at the picture and tell me, is the peacock beautiful? Is it beautiful? Okay. So now we will move to some other animals. Okay, Lucy, what is it? No, it's a chick. It's a chick. Okay, what color is it? It's okay, and this one? It's an egg. Okay, so do you like chick? Do you like chicks? Yes or no? Okay, and do you have any chicks at home? Okay. Do you like eating egg? Do you like eating egg? Okay. Nina, what is it?
It's a goose.
It's a goose.
It's a goose.
Okay. So do you like eating goose? Do you like eating goose?
Yes.
Okay. How about the goose egg? How about goose egg? Do you like eating goose egg? Goose egg? Do you like eating goose egg? And can you tell me, is it big or small?
Big.
Okay. This one, Nina, what is it? It's an ostrich. Okay. Have you ever ride ostrich? No, I don't. Okay. So, can you tell me, does the ostrich run fast or slow? Run fast or slow? Okay. And are you scared of ostrich? You scared of ostrich or you like it? Do you like ostrich?
Yes.
Okay. Lucy, where is hen? Yes, what is it? Okay. Do you like eating hen? Do you like eating hen? Okay, so which one do you prefer, cock or hen? Which one do you prefer? Cock or hen? Cock or hen? I like. Okay. So this one, what is it, Lucy? No. Falcon. Falcon. So, are you scared of falcon? Are you scared of falcon? Okay. So, do you see any falcons? Do you see any falcons? Okay. The last one, what is it, Nina? Woodpecker. Okay. Do you have any woodpeckers at home?
No, I don't.
And have you ever seen it? Have you ever seen the woodpecker?
No.
Okay. Can you tell me what woodpeckers eat?
It's air.
Is it
It's
ant?
and
Okay. That's it. Goodbye.